Apart from the appeals, there are also specialized jurisdictions of the Supreme Court. For instance, it has got a transfer jurisdiction whereby the Supreme Court exercises the sole prerogative and authority to transfer cases from one high court or one jurisdiction to the other beyond the territories of a state. All interstate transfers of all kinds of cases is only done by the Supreme Court, not by a high court, for obvious reasons. So, this is the transfer jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. It covers all kinds of cases, civil as well as criminal. The Supreme Court also exercises very unique jurisdictions. For instance, it also acts as a trial court. There are two types of essentially trial jurisdiction that the Supreme Court has. The first is in relation to disputes between states or the state with the central government. These are very specialized jurisdiction under Article 131 and they are very rarely invoked because essentially these kinds of cases involving disputes between two states are not cases which arise every now and then. But then once the court exercises this jurisdiction as a trial court, these trials are conducted like any other trial by any trial court, like a court, like a civil court. The Supreme Court exercises these jurisdiction, for instance, in relation to matters involving disputes of interstate water, for matters relating to certain territorial disputes, etc., etc. Then the other instance of the Supreme Court's trial court jurisdiction is in relation to as an election tribunal for the purpose of any challenges to deciding the election of the President and Vice President of India. This is again a very rarely invoked jurisdiction, but that jurisdiction does exist. There is yet another very interesting jurisdiction that the Supreme Court has. This is the jurisdiction where the court exercises advisory jurisdiction. Now, this is a matter where the Supreme Court is approached by the President for answering a particular reference. Now, in this reference jurisdiction, the Supreme Court is called upon to give its opinion on an important question of law or fact. Here, the Supreme Court renders opinion to the President for the purposes of resolving those issues, but these are mere opinions. These are not binding on the person who seeks the advice, that is the President of India, but this is essentially a very, very important constitutional function of the Supreme Court of India. The Supreme Court exercises all these jurisdictions essentially as a constitutional court. One must bear in mind that there is no court beyond the Supreme Court of India itself. So whatever it says, whatever adjudication it does is final and binding on every authority, every court of the land. And very interestingly, under Article 141, whatever decision is rendered by the Supreme Court is the law of the land. It has the force of law and it is in a way judicial legislation because the Supreme Court's primary function is the interpreter of the law. So whenever it gives a judgment, it lays down the law to be followed by every authority, every judicial body in the land. Therefore, you have seen that the Supreme Court's entire spectrum of powers and jurisdictions are so wide. It has the power of a constitutional court, it has the power of an appellate court, it has the power of a trial court, it has got advisory jurisdiction, and it has powers in relation to what is essentially case management, that is transfer from one jurisdiction to the other. I also wish to point out that there are also other jurisdictions. For instance, the Supreme Court in certain matters of public importance, matters which have relevance to the whole country, it even has the power to transfer all cases to itself from various other courts. So the Supreme Court is actually the apex court in many senses than one. It is not merely the highest court in the hierarchy. It also has these kind of wide powers to deal with important issues of law and fact so that there is an end to litigation and there is clarity about law which governs all of us as citizens of this country.